There she blows. Any old thing.
Any old thing? Any old thing?
Yeah, there's your ukulele.
Oh boy, that's something.
All right, I'll take the one. Give it a drink. But say, this thing is going. Oh, it is? Yeah. I'll be together in the taxi, honey.
Better be ready by 8:30. Now, dearie, don't be late. You want to be there when the band starts playing. When we get there, honey, some over my shoes. When I play those Jelly Roll Blues. Tomorrow night at the Rundown Strutters. Double elbow.
I wonder why you have the string tied around it.
Oh, what kind of around it? It's like Elvis Presley.
Let go of it.
Oh.
I just roll it down.
He's never supposed to do it. Goodbye. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away.
Now hear the whistle blowing right up so early in the morning. Now hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Pipe down, you.
It's just right, Larry, again. It's never right, Larry, again. He must be just about 21 precious.
21.
As fresh as a daisy and without a gun.
About me, with tons and tons of money, and never caused me pain. But I must be the footloose. Don't you have to be funny? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a silver sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a silver sleigh. How dry I am, how dry I am. Nobody knows how dry I am. Go get a pail, get a pail.
My hometown is a one-horse town, but it's big enough for me. Gee, but it's great to meet a friend from your hometown. Those little eyes so helpless
hopeless and appealing. One day will flash and send you crashing through the ceiling. Thank heaven for little girls. Thank heaven for them all, no matter where, no matter who. Without them, what would little boys do? Thank heaven for little girls.
Gene Rayburn here with Monitor 61, a show that has something for just about everybody. If you want laughs, there's the latest news. If you want to be up to date as far as the world situation is concerned, there's Mike Nichols and Elaine Day. And if you're interested in sports, there's Bob and Ray. I think we got the antecedent before the pronoun there. If good music is your cup of tea, there actually is good music on Monitor. Here's a sample of it.
Keep your sun inside up. We're going to enjoy some fine music right now, my friends, with the Barbara Shearer Trio, currently appearing nightly at